Let me guess your day. You wake up, you open Instagram for 2 minutes, and suddenly it's been 45 minutes. आपने ढेरों रील्स देखी, न्यूज़, प्रोडक्टिविटी, मोटिवेशन, कॉमेडी एंड व्हाट नॉट. And still, you haven't created anything. But don't worry, you will tell yourself, यार मैं कल से पक्का सीरियस हो जाऊंगा. But you, my friend, you won't. Because the problem is not laziness. The problem is that your brain is trained to consume, not create. And you don't even realize it when it happened. Every scroll, every reel, every short video is training your brain for instant reward, zero effort, and constant stimulation. Whereas creation is just the opposite: slow, uncertain, uncomfortable. So obviously, your brain avoids it. Let's talk about something real: dopamine. No, not the fancy version, but the simple version. आपके ब्रेन को वो चीजें पसंद आती हैं that will make you feel good quickly. Scrolling, quick dopamine. Gaming, quick dopamine. Endless content, again, quick dopamine. And this is called cheap dopamine. Easy, fast, and very addictive. Now compare that to creating, writing something, learning a new skill, creating content, or studying deeply. No instant reward, only delayed results. So, your brain obviously chooses the easier path every single time. Let's take a quick and real example. Typical middle class setup. You are at your home, parents think beta पढ़ रहा है, but reality, laptop open, one tab YouTube, one tab study material. You watch topper strategy, how to focus, tukka strategy, straight for 2 hours and feel productive. But did you actually study? No. And that's the real trap. Consuming productivity feels like progress, but it is not. And here's the uncomfortable truth: you don't lack motivation, you lack clarity and control. Because right now, your brain thinks watching is equal to doing, planning is equal to progress, and learning is equal to action. But real progress is executing, repeating, and improving constantly. Everything else is just preparation. एंड प्रिपरेशन ही एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पर 90% लोग जिंदगी भर फंसे रह जाते हैं. फॉर मी ऑल्सो द शिफ्ट डिडंट हैपन सडनली. देयर वॉज नो लाइफ चेंजिंग मोमेंट. आई जस्ट हैड वन रियलाइजेशन that I was consuming way more than I was actually creating. Every day, I was getting new ideas, new concepts, new advices, but the output always zero. तब मुझे एक बात समझ आई कि यार अगर मैं ऐसे ही बस नॉलेज कंज्यूम करता जाऊंगा तो मैं हमेशा के लिए बस इसके साथ ही रह जाऊंगा और अपने रिजल्ट्स तक कभी पहुंच ही नहीं पाऊंगा. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई चेंज्ड वाज दैट आई रिड्यूस्ड द कंजम्पशन. Not completely, but yeah, I controlled it. For example, no binge watching, no unlimited time, specific videos, and specific time only. No random content. Because if you don't control the input, you can never control the output. Second thing was that I forced myself to create. Even when I don't feel ready, I don't feel motivated, I don't feel confident. क्योंकि यार ज्यादातर लोग बस उस परफेक्ट टाइम का वेट करते करते ही रह जाते हैं और कभी भी अपने गोल तक नहीं पहुंच पाते. सो या मैंने कभी उस परफेक्ट टाइम के लिए वेट नहीं किया. मैंने अपने आप को फोर्स किया हमेशा क्रिएट करने के लिए. बिकॉज वेटिंग फॉर द परफेक्ट कंडीशन इज जस्ट अनदर काइंड ऑफ डिले. सो द सिंपल रूल इज consume less and create more. And even if it's bad, then remember, bad output is always better than no output. And my third step was building self control. Now, this is the very important part: not discipline, but self control. And the difference is that discipline is equal to doing hard things, whereas self control is avoiding the bekar things. Most people try to build discipline but ignore self control. But remember, if you can't say no to your brain, if you can't say no to distractions, then you can never say yes to creation. चलो एक डेली लाइफ एग्जांपल से ही समझ लेते हैं. You sit to work, but your phone is next to you. A notification comes, and obviously you can't say no to your brain. So you check it. 1 minute to 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 20 minutes, 20 minutes to 1 hour straight. Tata, bye bye.
Goodbye.
And then you say, I can't focus. No, you didn't protect your focus. That's the difference. Therefore, clarity changes everything. When you know what you want and why you want, then distractions becomes weaker because now you have something more important. और याद रखो यार, तुम्हारा ब्रेन कभी भी ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रोथ नहीं चाहेगा. तुम्हें उसको ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा, slowly, repeatedly, through small actions. Because in the end, you don't become what you watch, you become what you repeat. So next time, जब आप अपना फोन उठाओ, ask yourself, am I consuming or am I creating? Because that one decision decides your entire future.